Hey guys, welcome to my channel Connect to Autotech. My name is Pranjal. Due to the excessive price hike in the petrol price, there is a question in everyone's mind whether we should go with electric or hybrid or petrol. So in this video, I'll try to clear the doubts regarding which will be a better option. Each option has its own advantages and also has its disadvantages. In this video, I'll be only discussing about the advantages of each and every car, that is the electric, hybrid or the petrol. So let's check it out. Before moving forward, press the subscribe button below and also press the bell icon. So if you're not sure if an electric car is the best option for you, you should answer 3 questions to yourself. What is your reason for buying a car? Is it for intra-city commute or do you intend to go on a longer trips on holidays? Second, if it is for a holiday commute, how many kilometers would you be driving? Third, how long do you plan on holding on to your car? For instance, will you look to upgrade soon? The biggest concern for an electric car owners is how much they want to drive on a single charge. Unlike say petrol pumps for regular cars, we still don't have a widespread network of charging. So ideally, you should be able to reach a charging point before your battery drains out. Eventually, your electric car will be giving a range around 200 to 250 km on a single charge. Let us now look out about the advantages of the hybrid cars or about the petrol cars or about the electric cars. Let's first start with the hybrid cars. The main advantage of the hybrid cars is that they are more environment friendly. As they combine fuel with electric, they have the lower emission than the regular petrol cars can do. And if you come to the petrol cars are the most popular cars on the market. They have been around the longest and offer many benefits over the hybrid and the electric cars. The most advantage of the petrol car is that they are generally cheaper to purchase and a low maintenance than an electric car or a hybrid cars are. Coming to the electric cars, they run solely on electricity, meaning that they require no petrol to run, which essentially eliminates your fuel cost by a marginal range. Electric cars are also much more quiet and smooth than the petrol cars are. Overall, the electric cars are generally cheaper to operate, and not just because of the low fuel cost but also because they don't require the maintenance and all changes the petrol cars need to do. But the most disadvantage of the electric cars is its battery. So on the contrary, if you are primarily using it for the city commute, an EV car is the best option for you. For running around 50 to 60 km a day on a single charge, will last you for 3 days. So in the next video, we'll be discussing about what are the disadvantages of the electric or the petrol or the hybrid cars. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share